I wonder how many people, like, just here know that they're literally in a tornado warning right now.
Probably all of them. They got the message on their phone. So I think what we're seeing is a wall cloud currently. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I don't know if it's on the ground though. It could be. If it is, we gotta call the National Weather Service. I don't know if we'll have like the time like that too. This is actually a lot easier to see than I thought it would be. So yeah, we're in a tornado warning now. We're getting right near the freaking the rotation center. I think we're near the mezzo. And I'm kind of... Oh, this is beautiful. And I think that might be it over there. We might need to stop somewhere. Yeah, I think we do. Or, nah, we might need to get just a little more ahead of this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is, I'm not as nervous anymore. See, I think it's because if there is a tornado, I'm going to be seeing it. It's, oh, that's the wall cloud. Oh, it's getting green too. Or is that the wall cloud?
There we go.
There it is. That's the wall cloud right there.
Look.
Yeah, you're currently in a tornado.
Yeah, so it's just...
Should I just keep going?
Yeah.
Alright, hell yeah.
Please.
Oh my gosh.
Honestly, it would be kind of cool to just park here.
No. Oh, wait, is that debris? Here in it. Be careful. Dominic, that's the tornado. Keep going this way.
Oh my gosh.
This way, this way.
Keep going this way?
Oh my god.
We're good, we're good.
We're good.
Sorry, you don't.
Right, that over there.
Oh, it's getting strong again. You're doing great.
Oh my goodness.
It's right here. Okay, stop. 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 Stop.
Please do help us.
We're doing great. Oh my gosh. Yo!
It's fucking crazy.
It's down.
Holy fuck.
We're good. No, we're right. We are just fine.
There it is.
I think it's down. I'd stay here. Oh, it's right there. That's it. It's rain wrapped. We might need to get in that building.